Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can create a new compliance document checklist version for an opportunity that you have active. So as you're working through opportunities, sometimes things happen that cause the deals to fall through. So if you're representing a seller and the buyer you're working with drops out of the deal, or maybe you're representing the buyer and the seller decides to go with another buyer. In that case, you'll want to still keep a record of the compliance documents that were completed, but you'll need to move forward with the transaction in order to find another buyer or seller. So with that in mind, KW has created a way to have all of the compliance document checklists in opportunities by creating a new compliance document checklist version. So you can start fresh with a new set of documents, but still have access to the archived documents for the buyer or seller that where it fell through. So first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to sign into command, which is agent.kw.com, and you'll want to sign in with your KW login credentials. Once you are signed in, you are going to navigate to your opportunities applet. Your opportunities applet is going to be these two hands shaking on the left hand side. And then you're going to go ahead and find the opportunity that you are looking at. There's two different ways you can do that. You can go directly through your opportunity pipeline, so through your active phase or your under contract or whatever phase that is in, or you can just go to the all opportunities tab. Either way, we're going to find that one that we are looking for. We'll just select this first one. And then once you are in here, you're going to want to go to your documents tab here. So what you're seeing now is these are going to be your compliance documents that you have through here. So they're separated by what's called a compliance event, so listed, under contract, or closed. So under each of those, you'll want to go in and create the new checklist version for whatever event you're needing it for. So for listings, you may not need it since it's your listing documents here. You may, it totally depends on your situation. But you can go in, we'll say we need it for under contract documents on this one. We'll just go to our under contract tab right here. We're going to click this under contract button right here, and we're going to click add a version. From there, we're going to be adding a new version, rename it, make it something that's distinct from the others. We'll automatically populate this event name with the version 2. We'll go ahead and we'll leave it like that, and we'll click create new version there. So you'll be able to toggle between the two still. In order to have this new version become the default version, you'll just need to upload a document directly through here to this new checklist version, and then it should become default. The system is going to automatically default to the original one until you've uploaded a document through here. So once you do that, again, you can still access those previous versions under this drop-down menu if you need to go find those documents directly through here. And you can do that for each of these different events that you need it for, and you can add another one after that if you need more than one. So that's how you would do that. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always here to help out. Hope you have a fantastic day.